The guide blocks work with the thrust bearings to support the blade as you cut. There are 2 guide blocks on each guide bracket. The blocks are made of a plastic material so they can be adjusted close to the blade without damaging the blade if it contacts them. The guides will wear with normal use. They can be resurfaced with a sander when nicked or grooved. Eventually, you will need to replace them. Replacing the guide blocks is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the old guide blocks from the bandsaw. The guide blocks are secured with thumb screws. And now the ones on the bottom. Now I can install the new guide blocks, starting with the upper guide. To install the guides, I'll insert 1 block on each side of the guides. Then what I like to do is press the guide against the blade and then just tighten up the thumb screws. It's okay with the cool block design that the blade is actually touching the block. This will give you maximum support. It will cause the guides to wear a little faster, but you can always resurface them with your sander. And now I can install the new blocks on the bottom. Again, I just slide them into the holders, up against the blade, and then I'll tighten the thumb screws. And that's all it takes to install a new set of guide blocks on your bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.